In this video, I'm going to show you how to change to system font on iPhone or iOS 18. So if you're using iPhone and you've upgraded to the iOS 18 version or later, you can easily change back to the system font. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to restore back to the system font on iPhone iOS 18. So if at the end of this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is go to your iPhone settings. Now one of the settings page, just scroll up and here click on General. Once you selected General, you need to scroll down and then click on font. Then here you should see my fonts. Here you have access to all your fonts you've installed. Now to restore back to system fonts on your iPhone, click on system fonts. Here you should see a list of system fonts here. Then go ahead, select the fonts you want to use as your iPhone system font. So you can just, let's say you want to use any of this. Here let's use the Mono. Click on this. Then you see this is going to download the system font. And once downloaded, my iPhone will set this as my system font. So you can also change between the installed font. You see the academic engrave LTE font and the American typewriter. I said this. Then you can choose the 7 type space here. And then you can also come to academic engrave. Then this is plain. This is how it's going to look. This is how the font is going to look. So if this is something you desire so really well, go ahead and choose it, and this is how this is going to look. At the same time, if you use condensed light, this is what you're going to see. Then if you choose the regular, this is what you're going to see. Then condensed. So just play around the font type and then switch back to it. So that is all you need to do. And once that is done, select it. So that is how you can easily change back to system font on iPhone or iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.